Alex Crook claimed Manchester United are on the verge of signing a deal for PSV winger Cody Gakpo in January. If eminent journalist Alex Crook is to be believed, Cody Gakpo could be on his way to Manchester United in the winter transfer window. The international recently impressed in the World Cup and has caught the attention of super club. United were pretty close to sealing deal for Gakpo in the summer, but PSV refused to sell the star player on a cheap deal. And the Red Devil went on to ride Ajax to rob in Anthony. United was supposed to announce their interest in the player, having already invested heavily in Anthony. By their lack of attacking prowess has forced Erik ten Hag to make some alternative arrangement, and the manager will now try to get an extra forward next month. Gakpo strong also in the recently concluded World Cup is intensive United interest, but they will have to sell out an extra premium if they are to convince the player to move to the Premier League. A sum in the range of 50 million euro should be announced for a debut to conclude a transfer, but Gakpo being a prominent left winger, Ten Hag might have to make some necessary arrangements to fit him into his plans. They are well stocked when it comes to winger, and it remains to be seen how the Dutch grabber is planning to use the 22-year-old son so he arrived at Old Trafford. Alex Crook sounded confident as he insisted United are pushing for the deal and transfer is imminent. Manchester United are very keen to get his deal done. I was told yesterday, actually, that unless something drastic happened, discount will be signed and sold very soon. Tottenham are also believed to begin an upwelling of his service, but United are way ahead in the race. Personal term won't be a problem, but arranging pound could pose a significant issue as their summer outlay overshot their budget.